So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for work from home, work from office, as well as few of the hybrid remote job opportunities for freshers and experience. So watch the video till the end and we'll share multiple job opportunities with you. So the very first company which is hiring for QA is Third Digital. They are hiring for a QA manual with experience of 1 to 2 years, and they are offering you the flexible timings, but it is 5 working days. So it is work from office, and bond policies are not there. And these are the website and the contact details wherein you can share your details. Then there is an opportunity with a unicorn company, which is again hiring for QA manual testers. And this is a walk-in drive also. So 27th of January, we have a walk-in drive next Tuesday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can appear for the interviews there. And they're looking for skilled quality analyst, manual testers to join the team. Open positions, number of open positions are three. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. Then there is a requirement for QA lead. This is a remote position. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. Somebody who is skilled in creating automated tests with Selenium, strong command on Java, Python, or C# for scripting, understanding the software development cycle, master bug tracking and QA tools like Jira, QTP. There's a remote position, and the email address and the contact number is also provided. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a QA manual tester, and the requirements are for 1 to 2 years of experience. Preference is for the candidate who are located in Indore. Good communication is mandatory. Familiarity with AI testing tools is necessary. So you can send your resume to this email address, and these are the contact details. Then there are further more job opportunities. So first is the requirement for a QA with 6 months of experience. So if you have 6 months of relevant experience in QA, you can apply for this particular position. Minimum 1 year is required, but 6 months is also fine. But it's a night shift job. So the company name is provided, and they are looking for dedicated QA manual tester to join the team. The ideal candidate should have hands-on experience in manual testing, test case creation, execution, and defect tracking to ensure high quality software delivery. Key responsibilities would be performing manual testing for web and mobile applications, create, execute, and maintain a detailed test cases, identify, log, and track defects using bug tracking tools, collaborate with developers. So all these things are required, and these are the contact details. You can share your CV at this email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this particular number. Then there's a requirement for a QA lead, and yeah, this we have shared already. Yeah, then there's a requirement for a QA in the Hyperlink Infosystem company. So this company is hiring manual tester, experience 2 to 4 years, and they are looking for someone who has got strong knowledge of manual testing concepts and methodologies, mobile app testing, web application testing, excellent English communication skills, exposure to automation testing, experience with Jira and Azure DevOps. You can share your CV at this email address. Then there's a requirement for SDET 2 and SDET 3, Chennai-based location, and they are looking for strong expertise in UI and API automation. Excellent programming skills are required, Java, Python, and you can drop your resume to this link, or you can also apply on this Google form. So this is a Google form. There's a referral form. You can fill it up. So the employees, they will forward your CV to the HR, and when the HR will call you, they will schedule the first interview quickly. So referrals will help you a lot. Try to get a referral. Okay. Now this is a fresher requirement for Python developer, and the location is Chennai. Experience required is 0 to 1 year. It's for freshers. So if you are looking for beginning for making your career in the field of development, you can join this particular role. So this is the email address given. Then there is a requirement at Akamai Technologies. So they are looking for senior manual QA engineer, Pune, and it's a hybrid location, and it's immediate to 30 days for joiners. So experience required is 9+ years, and interested candidates, you can drop your resume at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineers, and they are looking for experience in Python automation, SQL, cloud exposure. Locations is Chennai, Hyderabad, and Gurgaon. Experience required is 6 to 15 years. So you can share your resumes to this particular email address. Then there's a remote job opportunity for senior QA engineer, senior QA automation engineer. They are looking for 7+ years of experience with UI automation, Selenium, API automation, REST assured, Postman, and someone who can design and maintain robust automation frameworks and integrate automation with CI/CD pipelines, collaborate closely with dev and QA teams. So these are the requirements, and you can share your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineers, and the position is for the automation test engineer. Experience required is 7 to 10 years. Two openings are there. Location is Bangalore, and they are looking for someone who can design, develop, and execute automated test suites using robot framework, Selenium, and Python. Create and maintain test plans, test cases, test specifications, and automation scripts. Perform automation testing for web-based applications, and the required skill set is someone who has strong experience in automation testing, hands-on expertise in robot framework, experience with Selenium WebDriver. Those people can apply. So this is purely automation testing job opportunity, and this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. So in the screening, they will be focusing mainly on robot framework, handling dynamic elements in Selenium, CI/CD integration experience, SQL-based data validation, defect lifecycle management. So if you're interested, you can share your resume to this particular email address. So that's it for today's video. And let me share more job opportunities. So yeah. So Concept Infoway is also hiring. So there's a company, Concept Infoway, which is hiring for QA engineer, manual plus automation. So you can submit your CV here, and this is the location. So these are the job opportunities for QA for software testers. We discussed many of the job opportunities. You can apply for the same. Apply with a referral that will definitely increase your chances of getting shortlisted for the interviews. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more. Updates.